Hi there, students. Clandestine, clandestine, clandestinely. Okay, clandestine means done in secret, kept secret, usually because you're hiding the fact that you're doing something illegal. Maybe you're trying to subvert the power structure of your country, or maybe you're doing something illegal, a con trick, a deception. Clandestine is used particularly for meetings. So the revolutionaries held a clandestine meeting in the dictatorship. Okay, it was clandestine, secret, hush hush, undercover, because they didn't want to be caught. You could have a clandestine spy operation. Yeah, this is something that is hidden and kept secret from everyone because you don't want them to know what you're doing. Maybe during Prohibition there were clandestine whiskey stills, moonshine stills, all over the United States. So Prohibition is when it was illegal to buy and sell alcohol, and a still is the thing that you use to distill alcohol. It's a metal, normally copper container with a twist, okay, with a twist that comes down. Okay, so something that's clandestine, or something that's done clandestinely, is done in secret. We had many clandestine conversations because we wanted to throw a surprise party for John's birthday, and if we didn't keep it clandestine, he was going to find out. Okay. So, clandestine, secret. This comes from Latin, clandestinus, through French. And I think the origin, there's an older word, clam, like the thing that you eat, C-L-A-M, which means secretly. And perhaps it's a mixture of the word clam and intestine. Your intestine, your guts. So something kept secretly in your guts, a secret thing. So what about formality? I don't think this word's terribly formal. I'd probably give it a 6 out of 10. I'm certain you could use clandestine in an informal meeting, in informal conversation in the pub. You'd probably use secret though, yeah? It's certainly a very good word for something semi-formal or something very formal. And it's one of these words that shows how good your vocabulary is. Use clandestine instead of secret. Clandestinely instead of secretly. Okay? Maybe the dark web is a clandestine group of webs that do illegal things. Okay, the dark web. So, clandestine, done in secret, kept secret. Maybe slightly formal, but flexible and you can use it anywhere. Okay? So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Clandestine.